I think I have officially switched over to Builder Gel, not for good, but I had a good run with it doing it on my nails, so now I'm here to show y'all how to do it. If you're new here, I have been loving Goy's products, so I decided to try out their Builder Gel. I've been looking up different ways on how to do it. I've always been curious about it, and I finally just jumped in and went ahead and tried. Now let me give y'all a little background on Builder Gel as I'm doing her prep. Builder Gel is more of a soft gel. You can really use it to overlay your nails, especially when you're trying to start to grow them out when they are shorter. A pro that I have definitely seen with using the Builder Gel is that it has definitely grown my nails out significantly. Make sure you guys turn on your notifications because I'm going to post my before and after in my YouTube shorts. A con that I noticed with wearing my Builder Gels for weeks and using my hands a lot, it can start to chip towards the ends on your most dominant hand. I noticed that on my left hand, it really wasn't chipping like that at all, but on my most dominant hand, it did chip a little bit. But then I have to realize I do be doing a lot with my hands, picking stuff. But besides the little chipping like at the tips of my nails, the retention was really good at the base. This client here is a very loyal client of mine, aka my mommy. But she always gotten acrylic overlays. So now I done weaned her and persuade her to get the Builder Gel. And her nails is hard enough, but they are long. So I am trying to do my research about the hard gel because I do want to switch her over to that instead of the acrylic overlay, because she really wears her natural nails all the time, but the acrylic overlay was just to protect them. But I really think that the hard gel would be the best way to go if all she do is wear her natural nails. I'm just finishing up her dry manicure, but it's not really that satisfying cuticle cutting because she mainly do most of that herself. She does really keep up with her nails, so by the time I try to do any type of cuticle work, it be nothing to do. I did just finish her soak off, so I'm just gonna go ahead with my mini sanding bit and go ahead and remove any of the extra product that may be on her nails before I start the prep of her Builder Gel. You can file before or after doing your Builder Gel. I just chose to do before, so I won't have to do that much work towards the end. Going in with my 70% alcohol as my dehydrator, I did not go in with any primer, just straight dehydrator. There is 3 things that come in this little Builder Gel kit. It's the base, the Builder Gel, and the top coat. So when I go in with the base, I'm going to go in with a scrubbing type of motion when I'm moving the brush. Because since we just sanded down the nails, removed all those oils, and dehydrated them, the nails are really rough and open. So that's going to be perfect to get that base coat all in the nails. I did not know that the base coat was on the thinner side until it dripped off the brush. I do make sure when I'm curing the nails that I'm just going based off of what the instructions say, and then I'm putting my UV light on the lowest settings so my client doesn't have no heat spikes while her hand is in the light. When I place the builder gel on the nail, I place it a little bit farther from the cuticle, the side, or the free edge because I'm going to work in all those areas with my thin liner brush. So really, I'm just making sure that I get the product on the nail. And you want to do this one finger at a time because the product does like to run, and make sure you have your handheld UV light on hand fully charged so you can cure each finger as you go. This builder gel is very easy to work with. I just take my brush, make sure I wet it a little bit, so I just work the product up and around in the cuticles. So I'm taking the brush and just bringing it upwards to catch the cuticles and the sides, and then once I got it up close enough, I go in the opposite direction, which would kind of be like in a downward motion to make sure I catch the free edge. And then that's when I flip her hand upside down to let gravity does its work, and repeat the same process of smoothing out the nails while the finger is upside down. And that's really going to help you build that apex and smoothing out the middle of that nail. And you want to make sure that you catch the free edge because it can build up and get really thick right there, but you don't want to thin it out too much because it's going to cause chipping. It's so funny because every time I did a finger, she wanted to check and look at it. It's like she was not trusting me, y'all. I thank you guys so much for watching this video and being with me through this transition of me learning how to do builder gel. And let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. How do y'all feel about it? Do y'all want to try it out? And make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.